tell you, isn't this a big, beautiful red dump truck? Lee with Specialty Truck Bodies, the premier maker of junk removal truck bodies in the United States. Great color, awesome color right there. KO Junk Removal, this is their brand new truck. They elected to get the 5-foot tall truck, electric tarp system. Come over here and check this out. All of the STB trucks come with these toolboxes. Big toolboxes, so you can get all the equipment in that you need. Tarp controls right here is an electric tarp system. Up top, wheelbarrow racks. Ladders as you make your way around. This is actually a used cabin chassis. As you make your way around, ladders on the rear, you've got barn doors in the back as well. It just snowed here, so you've got salt and all that'll get cleaned up before this customer takes delivery of this truck. Make your way around, trash can holders right here. That's where your trash cans go. And then there's a ramp. This ramp pulls out. You've got one of 3 spots that it goes in. I guess let's open up one of these doors. You can see the back of the truck back here. Again, this will get cleaned up before the customer takes delivery of it. But big, beautiful back. This customer did not get the winch. If you aim up front, we do have options of winches. He elected not to get a winch, but a winch would be up front at the very top had he gotten a winch. These trucks can be had in the 80s. So within the $80,000 range, depending on the options that you get, and for a brand new one. Like I said, I believe this is a used cabin chassis. But check us out at junkremovaltrucksforsale.com if you guys are looking for a junk removal truck. We're just now getting into the beginning part of 2025. It's going to be an excellent year this year for junk removal. Go and get one of these things on order you'll have in the next few months. You can put it to work, making you a bunch of money.